Yo, island style. See the cooking gone island wide. Bling her up. Island style, yeah, the bush pot settings. Everything there, Italian stew chicken. Island style, yeah, real finger licking. You know, here say better than KFC chicken. Island style, what you cooking? Smell it from a mile now, everybody looking. Vegetable cut straight from the farm. Island style, bush pot, you what that a go on? What we doing? Cook, 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 cook. Island style, we a cook, yeah. Cook, cook, veg, cook, cook. Any kind of dish we are. Cook, 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 cook. Island style we are cook, yeah. Cook, 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 cook.
What's up, people? Welcome back to Island Style Kitchen. Yeah man, big up on yourself every time. Yeah, today I'm back in the kitchen with another epic video, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make garlic spicy shrimp. I have some jumbo shrimp, so I'm going to be showing you how I make my garlic spicy shrimp in Island Style Kitchen. Yeah man, so just stay tuned. But before I get into the video, I want to take the time out to big up two young artists who is located in the Turks and Caicos. Yeah man, Blinger O and A-Style. Yeah man, so when you hear the background music, you will hear Blinger O in there. Say Island Style we are cook, cook, cook. If you want to get an intro or a background music, you can link Blinger O. I am going to put the link to Blinger O's channel in my description down below. So go over and check out Blinger O. Yeah man, want to big up the artist A-Style too. Yeah man, this is the part of the song in the background in here. Say it's a cooking season. Whoa, everything are natural ingredients. That's where the pillar use your greens them. That is A-Style people. So if you don't want a background music or you don't want an intro, we'll link up A-Style. I'm going to put the link to A-Style channel down below in my description. Alright, so we're going to jump into the kitchen now and show you how I make my spicy garlic shrimp.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, so these are the ingredients that I'm going to be working with today. Over here I have a half a chopped onion. I have a half a chopped red and green bell pepper. Over here I have one head of garlic. I also have some chopped ginger. I'm going to be using 2 Scotch bonnet peppers. I also have some paprika and some cayenne pepper. I'm also going to be using some sweet soya sauce, some oyster sauce, some low sodium soya sauce. I'm also going to be using some stir-fry oil, some sesame oil, and some rice vinegar. I'm going to be adding some chili powder. And over here, this is the star of the show, the shrimp. They were already washed and deveined and seasoned.
Alright people, so now my pot is hot. I'm going to go ahead and add some oil in this pan. I am going to kind of fry the shrimp before I put them in the sauce. Alright? So I'm going to go in the oil with one of my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm opening it, or bust the pepper, Jamaica will say. Put it in the oil, make it give it some aroma. I'm also going to put some garlic into the pot. I'm going to take my time. I'm going to slowly fry these shrimp, and I'm just going to saute them in that garlic sauce at the end. Alright people, so right now I can smell the aroma of the garlic and the pepper just burning the oil. So I'm going to go in and add my shrimp now. What I don't want to do, people, I don't want to cook them too much. So, you know that shrimp cook very fast. So I'm just going to let these fry for a little bit. I don't want to add too much into the oil because the oil temperature is going to drop and they're going to start to boil, and I don't want them to boil. Alright, peeps, so I don't want to overcook the shrimp. I am going to just cook them on each side for about 2 minutes. You know that this is seafood and shrimp, it's easy to cook. I don't want to overcook them, so just 2 minutes on each side. I want you guys to just stay tuned, you know, and look out for the pepper shrimp video, because that one is coming soon. After I deveined my shrimp, this is what I did. I just put some Maggi all-purpose seasoning and some black pepper inside of the back of the shrimp. Alright, so if you notice, the shrimp have a nice pink color on each side. That means it's time to take them out. So I'm going to take these shrimp out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put the second set of shrimp in.
Yes, people, if you notice here, I drained off the excess oil, so I only have a little bit of crumbs in there from frying the shrimp. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to go in with some stir fry oil. I am also going to go in with some sesame oil.
I'm going to go in now with some garlic and some ginger and my pepper, as I want this to be really spicy, so I'm using a lot of garlic in it and pepper. Alright people, nice. I'm going to go in now with the rest of my green seasoning. I'm using some onion, some red and some green bell peppers. I'm going to saute these just to extract the juices and the flavors from it. I'm going in now with some sweet soya sauce. I'm now going to go in with some oyster sauce. I'm going to go in with some rice vinegar. Wow, doesn't that look good, people? Tell me the truth, Island Style Kitchen have a buzz? If Island Style Kitchen have a buzz, just say buzz in the comments. Wow, that smells so good, people. I wish you guys could taste this, or actually smell it. I'm going to actually put some more scotch bonnet pepper in it, because I want this to be really spicy. Remember people, it's a spicy garlic shrimp, so it's supposed to be spicy. So I'm just adding some more scotch bonnet pepper. Alright, I'm going to go in now with some cayenne pepper and some chili powder. I'm going to bring the fire down to medium, please. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my shrimp now. It smells so good, peeps. I wish you guys could smell this and taste it. Yes, viewers and subscribers, and this is ready. Took about 15 to 20 minutes to prepare. All you have to do is prep your ingredients ahead of time. Remember, you devein the shrimp. If you don't want to devein the shrimp, you don't have to. And for those of you who get grossed out about with the head of the shrimp, you can get the shrimp without head. Or you can break the heads off and throw them away if you get grossed out about it. But I like the head on my shrimp, so that's why I bought these shrimp with the head on it. These jumbo shrimp with head on them. So there it is, it's ready to be served. And this, I'm going to be having this with some vegetable fried rice, people. Yes, vegetable fried rice. I also have a fried rice video on my channel, so The link will be down in the description below, and you can go and check out my vegetable fried rice.
Island style will make you smile. Tap ta da 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 da. Bush. Come join our experience each and every episode with Island style kitchen, cooking in the bush. Yaksta the bush lad said that. Waklak skum, skalai boom, bututum, bush.
Yes, people, here you have it. Island style kitchen, spicy garlic shrimp.
Oh, but it's scroll and clicking. Why you feel that chef over there mouth is dripping? Because they had just subscribed to Island Style Kitchen, cooking in the bush. Yaks to the bush that and that's that. Waklak scum, skalai boom. Take it away with the gravy. Pow!
Yes, viewers and subscribers, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you enjoyed that video, give the video a thumbs up on your way out. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on all post notification bells so you don't miss out on future Island Style Kitchen videos. Stay safe. Peace out. One love.
It's a cooking season, boy. Everything are natural ingredients. Dash with the pill and use your greens, boy. Island Style Kitchen I teach them, so watch you know. Yeah, we out upon the farm till the soil. I tell food we have a pot of tea a while. Friday festival in all the real coconut oil. At the calabash me use to drink the vervine, yeah. This a channel that I bring back the culture. Link the farmer money we take care of your ulcer. Juice of the make we know no way fi plug the blender. The inna the bush so rate it pass me the greater cause it's a cooking season, boy. Everything a natural ingredients, boy. Dash with the pill and use your greens, hey. Islands.